Pro tip number 11 to being the stellar you in 2020 and beyond. How to avoid getting overwhelmed and giving up on your goals before you even get started. So if you're anything like me, you have a list of things you want to change and improve going forward, which is really good. But if you're also like me, you have the good and bad habit of trying to do it all at one time, getting overwhelmed, and sometimes giving up on all your goals before you even get started. So to avoid that, I want to share with you two things that I've learned over the years that have really helped me keep the ball going forward. Now, first tip, try to find an action or a habit that's going to affect multiple areas of your life. So for example, I was talking to a buddy of mine and he identified that eating better is going to not only help him lose weight, it also give him more energy throughout the day and also help him sleep better. Three things are very important to him. So one stone, three birds. Now, if you can't find the one stone that's going to metaphorically kill three birds, try to find a way to tackle your thing, the things that you want to do one at a time, because each one is going to require a new set of habits, a new mindset. So once you are comfortable in this new set of habits for this one area, move on to the next one. If you try to change everything at one time, it's going to be chaotic. You're trying to adapt to a lot of change, even though the change that you're going for is something that you want, something that's going to positively benefit you, something that's going to make you a better person. It's still change. It's going against the grain of months, even years of habits that got us where we are today. So just pace yourself. You do those two things, you'll keep the energy going, you'll keep the momentum, and you'll be well on your way to being the stellar you in 2020 and beyond.